Hello everyone, my name is K. Chinch Reddy, working as the Assistant Professor at Electrical Engineering College. Welcome to my channel. My channel name is Accelerate Your Research. Okay. If you are watching first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Okay. This video I will explain electrical and hybrid vehicles. Okay. In electrical and hybrid vehicle, this is JNTH syllabus, Jawaharlal Nehru Technology University, fourth year first semester subject. This class I will explain introduction to hybrid vehicles. In introduction to hybrid vehicles, this is second chapter, first part. In my previous video, I explained high electrical vehicles. This video I will explain hybrid vehicles, history of hybrid vehicles. Okay. If you want to watch my previous electrical and hybrid vehicles videos, go to this Accelerate Your Research channel. Okay, here playlist. Go to here electrical and hybrid vehicles. View playlist. Click here. Okay, this 11 videos are related to electrical and hybrid vehicle subject. Okay, now I will explain. The history of hybrid vehicles. I will start my presentation. I will start my presentation. Okay. History of hybrid vehicles. History of hybrid vehicles. This is the first slide. The first hybrid vehicle reported were shown at the Paris Salon in 1899. This is the first hybrid vehicle. This first hybrid vehicle introduced in 1899. Okay. This vehicle introduced Paris Salon. This is scientist name. Next, this is first point. The first hybrid vehicles reported were shown at the Paris Salon of 1899. These were built by the Piper establishments of Lis, Belgium, by the Wendolin and Presley Electric Cambridge Company, France. Okay, these two are the company names. This Presley and Wendolin, this company names. Okay, Electric Cambridge Company. This company introduced this hybrid electric vehicle. Next, the Piper vehicle was parallel hybrid vehicle with small air-cooled gasoline engine assisted by an electric motor and lead-acid battery. Okay, this vehicle have small air-cooled gasoline engine as well as one electric motor and lead-acid battery. This battery used for electric motor input supply. Okay, this electric motor input supply. The hybrid means two or more different energy sources. That is called hybrid source. In this vehicle have two sources. One is the gasoline engine. Second one is the electric motor. Okay, this gasoline engine, this is a mechanical source. This electric motor is the electric source. This battery is used for giving input this motor. Okay, this gasoline engine, air-cooled gasoline engine, this mechanical device. Okay, electrical and mechanical, two sources. This is the parallel hybrid vehicle. Let's go next slide. Okay, this is continuation of previous slide. The first parallel hybrid vehicle. It is reported that batteries were charged engine when the vehicle is posted or was at standstill. Okay, in this vehicle, batteries will charge when vehicle not moving or any coastal areas, the batteries will charging. Okay, this point is related to battery charging. Next, when the driving power is required greater than engine speed, the electric motor provided additional power. In this parallel hybrid vehicle, we have two sources. One is the gasoline, one is the engine, second one is the motor. Okay, in normal condition, this vehicle will run with engine. Okay, when required more power in this vehicle, the electric motor provided additional power. Okay, normal condition, this vehicle will run with engine. Okay, mechanical source. When required additional power, the motor will start running. It gives additional power. Okay, in addition to being one of the first hybrid vehicles and being the first parallel hybrid vehicle, the Piper was undoubtedly the first electric starter. Okay, these two slides related to first hybrid vehicle. First hybrid vehicle is parallel hybrid vehicle. This parallel hybrid vehicle have two sources. One is the gasoline engine. Second one is the gasoline engine or the present name conventional vehicle. Conventional means this engine, and second one is the motor. Two sources. Next, this is the series hybrid vehicle. Okay, this series hybrid vehicle, first series hybrid vehicle. This is the in this vehicle have three wheels. Okay, these two are rear wheels. This is the front wheel. The other hybrid vehicle introduced at the Paris Salon of 1899 was the first series hybrid vehicle. Okay, this is first series hybrid vehicle. This vehicle introduced in 1899 was derived from pure electric vehicle commercially built by the French firm Wendell and Presley. Okay, this French firm Wendell and Presley introduced this series hybrid vehicle. This vehicle was tricycle with two rear wheels powered by independent motors. This point meaning is this vehicle was tricycle. Tricycle means three wheels. Next, with two rear wheels. These two are two rear wheels by independent motor. These two wheels moving with two in this vehicle. Two separate DC motors used for moving this vehicle. Okay. Next, an additional 3x4 HP gasoline engine coupled with 1.1 kilowatts generator was mounted on trailer and coupled and could be towed behind the vehicle, extended its range of recharging the batteries. In this vehicle, gasoline engine range is 3x4 HP gasoline engine. This gasoline engine coupled with 1.1 kilowatts generator. This generator input is gasoline engine. This generator output is generating power. That power, it recharges the battery. Okay, here I have three main parts in this vehicle. One is the engine, second one is the generator, third one is the battery. Battery used for it moving the vehicle. This battery output is connected to the motor. Battery input is connected to the generator. This generator output connected to the batteries. This generator input connected to the gasoline engine. Okay, the capacity of gasoline engine is 3x4 HP. Next, the power rating of generator is 1.1 kilowatt. Okay, next point, in the French case, the hybrid design was used to extend the range of electrical vehicle. Okay, this next, and is not supply additional power to weak ICE. This is related to first series hybrid vehicle. Next, this is the parallel hybrid vehicle. Okay, this parallel hybrid vehicle introduced in 1903, Frenchman Camille Ginat Frenchman Camille Genergy presented a parallel hybrid vehicle at Paris Salon of 1903. This vehicle introduced in 1903. This vehicle combined a 6 gasoline engine with 4 HP electric mission that could be either charge the batteries from the engine or assistant them later. Okay, this vehicle have this parallel hybrid vehicle, two sources. One is the gasoline engine, second one is the mission. Mission means it will act as a generator, it will act as a motor. Okay, the capacity of engine is 6 HP gasoline engine. The mission capacity is 14 HP. 14 HP mission. Mission means it will act as a generator or motor. When it will act as a generator, the 14 HP generator, this mission act as a generator, that time batteries will charging. Okay, when the electric mission, it will act as a motor, the batteries will give supply to this mission. Okay, when we required more power, this 6 HP gasoline engine used additional power. Okay, this parallel vehicle have different configurations. First configuration is gasoline engine moves vehicle. Second one, gasoline engine mechanic moves vehicle, and the second motor is it transmit the vehicle. Third condition, and engine and motor through two sources moving the vehicle. Okay, this is the parallel hybrid vehicle. Next, another Frenchman, H. Krieger, built the second reported series hybrid vehicle in 1902. Okay, this is the second. Okay, another second person, another Frenchman built the second reported series hybrid vehicle in 1903. His design used two independent motors, DC motor driving the front wheels. Okay, in this vehicle, series hybrid vehicle have two DC motors. These two DC motors used for moving the front wheels. Okay, next, they drew their energy from 44 lead acid cells and that were recharged by 4.5 HP 4.5 HP engine. Okay, in the series hybrid vehicle, total have 44 lead acid battery cells used. Okay, this battery is recharged by 4.5 HP engine. Okay, this engine coupled with Cent generator. In this vehicle, in the series vehicle, I have three major parts. One is the lead acid batteries. Lead acid batteries have 44 lead acid cells. Second one is the 4.5 HP engine. Third one is the Cent generator. This generator is input connected to this engine. This generator output connected to the batteries. Okay, this batteries charges through this DC generator. Okay, this is total have in this main three parts. This is the high capacity vehicle. High capacity means here used 44 lead acid cells. At the same time, the engine capacity also very high, 4.5 HP. Okay, this is generator. This total related to parallel hybrid vehicle. Next, hybrid vehicle control. This is researchers are faced many problems during up to 1960. Okay, power electronic devices did not become available until the middle of 1960s. Okay, up to 1960s, the researchers faced problems. Scientists faced problems for controlling these hybrid vehicles because up to 1960s did not have power electronic devices. Okay, up to 1960s, the electric motors were controlled by mechanical switches and resistors. Okay, these mechanical switches and resistors controlled these hybrid vehicles. After 1960s, the hybrid vehicles controlled by power electronics devices. Power electronic devices means if we need to control DC motor by using rectifiers and DC to DC controllers, we will control DC motors. If we want to control AC motors by using AC voltage controllers and cycloconverters and inverters and VFDs. VFDs means variable frequency drives. Okay, we will control by using power electronic devices in hybrid vehicles, DC motors and AC motors, and recent advanced control method motors are BLDC motor, brushless DC motor drive, and switch reluctance motor, SRM drive. BLDC motor and SRM drive are advanced special purpose motors. These special purpose motors used in hybrid vehicles. Okay, BLDC motor and SRM motor, both motors are controlled power electronic device. Without power electronic devices, we will not run these two motors, BLDC motor and SRM motor. Okay, this total side related to controlling. Okay, however, the great problems that this early designs had to cope with was the difficulty of controlling the electric machine. The power electronic did not become available until mid 1960, and early electric motors were controlled by mechanical switches and resistors. They have limited operating range that were incompatible with efficient operation. Next point, only the great difficulty could they made compatible with the operation of hybrid vehicle. Okay, this total power electronics related controlling. Next, this is the first modern hybrid electric vehicle. Okay, this vehicle introduced in 1975. Okay, this vehicle introduced Vector Book is recognized as the modern investigation of the hybrid electric vehicle movement. Okay, this is modern hybrid vehicle. In this vehicle introduced in 1975, along with his colleagues, he built a parallel hybrid vehicle version, Book Skylar. Okay, next, the engine was a Mazda rotary engine. Next, coupled to a manual transmission. Okay, this is the manual transmission vehicle. It was in this vehicle used 15 HP separately excited machine located in the front of the transmission. Okay, in this vehicle, DC machine 15 HP high capacity DC machine usually. Okay, in this 15 HP DC machine means machine, it will act as a generator and a motor. Okay, in this machine here, inserted here front side. Okay, located front of the transmission. In this machine, it moves front wheels. Okay, in this vehicle have total 12 automotive batteries were used to energy storage. In this vehicle have total 8 12 volts batteries. Okay, 8 12 volts batteries, automotive batteries were used for the energy storages. These batteries used for input of this machine. Okay, when DC machine act as a generator, it stores the battery energy, it stores in battery. When the DC machine act as a motor, these batteries will supply to this DC machine. Next, a top speed of 80 mph, okay, means 120 kilometers per hour was achieved with acceleration from 0 to 60 mph in 16 seconds. Okay, this vehicle speed is 129 kilometers per hour. Okay, the acceleration from 0 to 60. Okay, just 16 seconds, the speed will increasing 0 to 60 mph. Okay, this is the first modern hybrid vehicle. Next, this is the continuation. The series hybrid vehicle, other designs. The series hybrid vehicle design was received by Dr. Ernest H. Wakefield in the 1967 when the working for linear alpha. Next, a small engine AC generator with an output 3 kilowatts was used to battery pack charging. Okay, this is a new series hybrid vehicle introduced in 1967. Okay, this series hybrid vehicle have small engine, small AC, small engine, AC generator. Have two sources. One is the small engine, second one is AC generator. Okay, with output the in series hybrid vehicle output, these two sources output with an output 3 kilowatts was used to battery backup. This AC generator, it will charges the battery in series hybrid vehicle. Okay, here also two sources and one is three major um, parts. One is the engine, second one is the generator, third one is the battery. Okay, the battery, this energy output is 3 kilowatts. Next, power output is 3 kilowatts. However, the experiments were quickly stopped because of technical problems. Okay, this experiment in 1967 started this series hybrid vehicle design, but experiment immediately stopped due to technical problems. Okay. Next, other approaches studied during the 1972, early 1980s. These 10 years, okay, investigated some other series hybrid vehicles, use range extended, similar concept of French Vendavally and Priestley 1899 design. Okay, this 10 years investigated and again French Vendavally and Priestley designed new series hybrid vehicle. This range extenders were intended to improve the range of electric vehicles that never reached the market. Okay, next, other prototype hybrid vehicles were built by Electric Auto Corporation in 1982. Next, Briggs Stoughton Corporation in 1980s. Okay, this other prototype of hybrid vehicles introduced to this company, Electric Auto Corporation in 1982. Okay, and by the Briggs and Stoughton Corporation in 1980s. This total related to electrical vehicle companies. This type. Next, some of the prominent uh, players in the global hybrid vehicles market. These are the list of companies. Okay, advanced recent 2022-2023 companies, top companies involving in designing of hybrid vehicles. Toyota, Honda, BYD, Lexus, next Ford Motor, Kia Motors, Nissan Motors. Okay, this total top companies in globally for designing hybrid vehicles. Okay, this is the graph. In this graph, hybrid vehicles market size in 2021 to 2023, the expected billions. Okay, billions of market here 352 year wise increase. This is the expected graph 2020 2030. The global hybrid vehicle market size was valued, okay, USD 350.1 billions in the 2021, and it is expected hit to USD in 1670.5 billion by 2020 2030. Okay, rising at the CAGR of 28.90 during the forecast period. Okay, in the future upcoming 10 years, the hybrid vehicles market is very increasing. Okay, this is the total related to history of hybrid vehicles. Okay, okay, thank you for watching this video.